Hello dear students, now we will take up the another important cell organelle which is known as Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. Whenever Golgi body or Golgi apparatus is found in plants, then it is also known as lipochondria. Golgi body, the name was given by the Camillo Golgi who discovered the Golgi apparatus and in nerve cells of the cat. First of all, they found. And the Golgi body is ultrastructure given by Dalton. So that's why Golgi body is also known as Dalton's complex. Remember it because the ultrastructure given by Dalton. Now size. Size of the Golgi body is bigger in secretory cells like liver and the pancreas, and Golgi bodies are found in the smaller in size in all types of muscle cells. Number of Golgi bodies are 1 in every animal cell and 6 to 12 Golgi bodies are present in the plant cell. Now shape. It is paleomorphic. Golgi body is a paleomorphic. Paleomorphic means it can easily change their shape and size according to the function. Now the structure of the Golgi body. Whenever we find the electronic microscopy structure which was given by Dalton, then we will found the Golgi body is made up of three types of things: cisternae, vacuoles and vesicles. Where are they? Have a look. This is the diagrammatic representation of the Golgi body. These pipe-like structures are known as cisternae and some vesicles are also present there. They are small vesicles. Large vacuoles are also present there. Now the most important thing which is related to the Golgi body is it have got two sides. This is site number 1, this is site number 2. This first site it is known as maturation phase or trans phase. Why it is known as maturation phase or trans phase we will discuss afterwards. This particular site is known as concave site. And this concave site is found towards the plasma membrane. Suppose this is nucleus and this is the cell's plasma membrane. So this concave site is present into the plasma membrane. Now another site. This site is known as convex site. Here we have this site is known as convex site. And this convex site is found towards the nucleus. And this particular area is known as, this phase is known as formative phase or cis phase. Now why it is known as cis phase or the formative phase we will discuss. We know that the endoplasmic reticulum play a very important role in protein synthesis because ribosomes are present in it. Whenever different types of vesicles they came from the endoplasmic reticulum, they came near the cisternae of the Golgi body and they give all types of proteinous material to the cisternae. We know that cisternae have got different types of branches like structures, and these all types of branches are interconnected with the help of a simple path or the narrow area, pipe like areas. From these narrow areas these proteins particles are present. Now last last part of the cisternae which is Solon part which is known as Golgian vacuoles. These Golgian vacuoles after some time they separate from this area and now they convert into the vacuoles. And further these vacuoles are converted into the primary lysosomes. We can easily understand this diagram from here. This is the nucleus, this is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum whenever make different types of vesicles, these vesicles have tendency to transfer into the Golgi body and Golgi body make the big vacuoles, further they convert into the primary lysosomes. Now the important thing. In fungi, only one cisternae Golgi body is found. This is the exceptional case. And it is called uncisternae or unicisternae Golgi body. Unicisternae Golgi body. Now the functions of the Golgi body. What are the basic functions of the Golgi body? Before we start the functions of the Golgi body, now why this phase is known as formative phase? Because formative, this phase is known as formative phase because the different types of vesicles from the endoplasmic reticulum, they came from here, and they play a very important role to formation of different types of other proteins. That's why this area is known as formative phase. And this phase is known as maturation phase because at last from the Golgian vacuole they convert into the vacuoles, and further they convert into the primary lysosomes. So this area is known as maturation phase or the trans phase. Now the functions of the Golgi body. First function, secretion of packaging of substances. Golgi bodies play a very important role in secretion of packaging of secretion and packaging of substances. For example, polysaccharide secretion in goblet cells, collagen secretion in connective tissues, protein secretion in pancreatic cells. Golgi body play a very important role. Apart from that, it also play a very important role in secretion of hormones, for example, thyroxine hormones from the thyroid gland. One word which is known as vitalogenesis. Vitalogenesis means Golgi body also play a very important role in yolk formation or yolk synthesis in egg cell or egg. Apart from that, another important work which is related to the Golgi body, which is known as glycosylation. Glycosylation. What is the meaning of this term? It is a addition of carbohydrate to protein or lipids. It is a addition of carbohydrate to protein or lipids. Now, in a short form or in a easy form, here we can easily understood. Whenever protein and carbohydrate means oligosaccharide. Whenever protein and carbohydrate they combine together, then they convert into the glycoprotein. And this glycoprotein help in cell identification in organ transplant. Whenever the organ transplant takes place in human beings, suppose for example kidney and liver transplant, so this glycoprotein play a very important role in identification of the organ transplant. Now, whenever lipid and the carbohydrates they combine together, then they convert into the glycolipids, and these glycolipids are help in protection. They protect our body. Now, fifth work, Golgi body also make the acrosome of the sperm. These sperms, the pointed part is known as acrosome, which is also made by Golgi body. Sixth and the important work of the Golgi body is it help in formation of primary lysosomes, which have got different types of inactive enzymes. That's why it is known as primary lysosomes. So these are the basic and the important functions. Those are related to the Golgi body. In next video, we will talk about lysosomes.